Welcome to my Quiet With Me finger call. I know you like it, shit, very lit. We're giving Tracey and child today. We're on a line.
Look at that across the water.
Beautiful sun, say over again.
Beautiful sunset. We are in Exton. Oh, look at that building, that's new.
Yeah. I thought we give it like a walk. No.
That's stunning, isn't it? Yeah, you can just point it at the sign.
Why?
Oh, I'll put you on then. There we go. It's so pretty. So pretty. Just want to get that sunset before it goes. Stunning. Right, Maddie,
Hello.
where are we?
Exton.
Exton. And what day is it today?
For Wednesday.
Wednesday. Where have you been today?
College.
College, so it's a bit dark. It's not big.
A train.
We did see a train. And another train over there. It's a bit dark because we come out, we'll walk up a little bit. After college.
Yeah.
Oh, first daffodils. Good to film them. It's beginning of January. That's the first daffodils we've
I
seen.
know.
Sign of spring, that is.
Oh, Wiki. Got quit. You know.
In 2023, won't we? Maddie, what year is it?
2024.
2024. It's January 2024. We missed a couple of stations, so class them as extras. Yeah, well, we didn't do this in 2023, did we?
No.
And we didn't do Limpstone.
No.
We didn't do Paynton.
No.
And we didn't do, what's the closest station to our house?
Cooking.
No.
Cool.
Tour. And we didn't do tour, even though it's 5 minutes from the house.
No key.
We are. So we're going to try and do a view, aren't we? We'll walk back down here slowly, but this is Lympstone. That you have to show that new building, Maddie. That wasn't here last time.
No. Time to say bye now.
Pardon? We can hear the trains, can't we?
Time to say bye.
Can you say bye? Oh,
Nothing.
well, we can walk down that way a little bit. Just to there, can't we? Just because the view is absolutely incredible. So we've got Topsham just up there, haven't we? Topsham up on the right. Straight across from us is Powderham / Kenton Estate. And then down to the left we have Lympstone, but then further on, the lights in the distance, which I don't think the camera is going to pick up, is Exmouth.
It's right here.
And then what's the lights down there, babe? Star Cross. The lights over there are going to be Star Cross.
Nope.
Oh no.
People are getting off.
He was a nice drive, wasn't he? Anyway, this beautiful setting, beautiful skyline, which I really, really, really hope the camera, oh my goodness, look at that. You can be in Canada looking at that over there, look. The trees on the horizon. The most beautiful, beautiful skyline. So from us at Exton,
Bye.
see you next time.
Bye.